Hello, ladies and gentlemen, how are you doing? So, for the introduction today, I wanted to say that we did complete this week on a positive note. We are up, we have more capital than we started off with. It has been an interesting ride the last 3 days, has been exciting. The first few days weren't so good. Today it didn't start off so well as well, but we did make the most of it and we came out on top. So, I'm really happy with that. And yeah, let's get into the video, guys, and let's see how the day went for me. So day 3 of day trading. Okay, look at the 4-hour gold chart to see the direction that we think we will be going today. So following the 4-hour chart from yesterday, I thought price will dip and go lower. However, I'm seeing some clear action today that the price could be going up. We'll be looking for a long, but again, we will see how things play out as we watch the price action develop. I am going to enter here on a long position. I do nearly feel like adding on another position. 7. Okay, maybe not. So after going long, I decided for some reason to change sides and go short. So let's see how that went. Hello guys, how are you doing? So just quick check-in. As you can see, the first 2 trades have not went so good for me. I was only up for about 40 minutes, so note to self right here is not to go near the charts for at least the first 2 hours of the day, right? You trade 12 p.m. until 4 p.m. GMT, that's kind of my time. So make sure to get up earlier and be on the ball, right? So decision making wasn't on point. The area was choppy. There was a lot of up and down. It was undecisive. In all fairness, I shouldn't have entered there at all. I should have been more patient. But yeah, this is why we're doing it. This is the journal. This is note to self. So do remember. But yeah, let's keep going. Let's see what happens. Yeah, so for this next one, I didn't have my microphone on. I kind of just jumped in out of nowhere and just put on a trade. Really, I think it was the last two that kind of got to me. I was just going for it. This is what you're meant to not do, right? So yeah, I don't have the mic on, but you can see me put on the trade, and it really go against me fairly lively. So yes, let's go. Let's get into it. Yeah, so there it is. It was 3 trades down. We were looking fairly bad for the day. As you can see by that video, I was fairly in a shock nearly, couldn't believe it. There was a big drop. However, I did think that the price was going to go up. I thought it was going to break out, right? So that's a big thing about trading. It's your entry. So my entries I find are very bad. So them 3 trades have went against me. If I was just patient and I would have waited, would have been what, 2%, 20 euro, I think it was gone. Or absolutely being not patient and silly, getting in too early. So I do need to work on that, is my patience and my entry positions, and I will focus on that more. And this does help to look back and see. But yeah, let's see what the future holds. Hey guys, just quickly jumping in to explain about the next trade. So I did forget to press the record button, so the recording starts a little bit into the trade. This was a few minutes after the previous trade we've taken, and this time I decided to go along because, same as I was saying earlier, the agenda, I thought the price did look like it was going to break out through that level and go up higher. So I kind of calmed myself down, gave myself a second, and decided to enter again. Here it goes. Ideally, we want to see it fly out and skyrocket over this, right? Next 2 candles. And go up to this zone and further. Now. And a few more. Because we need to get out of this zone. And once we're out of this zone, we are rocketing up to here. Oh, damn. Wait, we have this. Okay. See what happens here. I doubt it. Like, Ooh. There it was, guys, our first win of the day. I think that was all right. I mean, all in all, today was that area in general was so choppy. And now when I look at it in hindsight, I shouldn't have been entering there at all. I should have been waiting for evidence for me to enter into it. But the agenda that I did have was correct. The price did want to break. There was big news coming out in 15 minutes, 3-star news, so I should have really waited for that. Now, in hindsight, that does explain the whole choppiness of today. Before the news came out, before the big move happened. However, we did manage to capitalize on that move to the upside. I did move my stop loss, and I did get out at 15 euro and 5%. So the news are about to break out in 1 minute. So, oops, you want to see the GDP? No, core price index. So if the actual is bigger than the forecast, it means inflation is higher than expected. Therefore, gold should go up in value. And we're going to see if we can see that live. Will I do a trade? Probably not. Yeah, so there you go. It was funny. I was thinking, should I do a trade? I was actually thinking of doing a long position, but given my bad day, I decided to go against it. I had no confidence myself on the day, and I guess I'm still getting used to the fundamentals of gold and stuff. But as I said, is it gonna go up? I was really thinking about putting on that trade, but I decided against it, and then I just seen it fly up to the moon, and it kept moving upwards. Yeah, that's a little bit of a bummer, but hopefully we'll be more confident next time. Quick jump in. Yeah, so for the next trade, I kind of waited for the news to settle down a little bit for 15 minutes, and then I decided to join on the ride and take a long position. So here it goes. Entered in here after the news have dropped. See if the price hits it. 5-6 is the target of today. So it does look like it does want to go to this area. Key zone, point of interest. The upside. Oh, that was close. Just touched the stop loss. That's hilarious. Wow, okay. I do want to hold our winners. That's a big part. Trading, I think. Yeah. Okay, maybe. And is it? Okay. Yo guys, so this is a quick video from the future. So after that, I've done 2 other trades and little small ones. They ended up costing me 1.3%. Silly ones, to be honest, with too much volume. However, I don't have the footage for those. And additionally, in this area here, the price went down. There was a little bit of consolidation here, and on this candle here, I entered a short position at 0.04 lots, and we sold here for 15 profit. So yeah, it looked like it was going to be a retracement happen, so I decided to capitalize on it. So after that, the price just kept plummeting down, went under today's open where it first took off. So I said I will try put a long position to see if the price bounces off the VWAP or not. This is kind of a good position. yeah, so price did bounce back. There was a bit of traction, however, it did come down, so the trade did not work out. And now for the last trade of the day, I did not have my camera on. Here it is. We've entered a short position. A little bit of formation forming here. Seen this before many times, and the price dumps down. Bit of consolidation before it makes the. Okay, are we seeing it now? Okay, we're out. Not bad. Not bad. We did get 14. Okay, okay. So there it is. First week completed. We started off a bit rough. However, we did pick things up towards the end. I know the gains aren't much. It's only 0.5% on the whole capital. However, we need to start somewhere, and I think things are going well. And I'm really excited to see how the next week goes. All right. And happy weekend, guys. If you're watching this on a Friday, of course. If not, happy evening, happy day. I hope you all have a good day. And I will see you next week. Bye bye.